Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. Thank you all so much for being here today. Today I have just a quick little video with some more of my Jesmonite pieces that I'm doing for makers markets and for fun little stocking stuffers. These are really easy to do, and I love the fact that this product cures so quickly. You can demold in under an hour, even for larger pieces. So I've been having a lot of fun with this, and I just thought I'd share some of my experiments that I've done this week. This video is specifically adding some sparkle and doing a couple of different techniques to create some fun sparkly effects in these little stocking stuffers. So enjoy.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
Unfortunately, I completely missed filming the last color that I did, which was that solid black that you see there. I did pour it exactly the same way as the first color that you saw and as the color that I'm working with now. And the big blob of black that you see up in the corner is leftover Jesmonite. I had mixed too much of the black, and I just spread that out nice and flat so that it can cure like that, and then I can break that up later for chips for future Jesmonite projects.
Our ears still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.
Here we are with the final results. Sorry for the sound of the air conditioner in the background. I am really happy with these. Now I did just wax these before bringing them out in the sun, and I realize now that I need to buff them a little bit more. But you can see these are just beautiful. This is the Diamond Dust one. And Diamond Dust plus gold foil. These large mica flakes look really cool. There's the granite one I did. I'm loving this color combo. Now the sand didn't show up the way I was hoping, but that's okay. It's all an experiment. And this was another one where I just put the mica flakes in the bottom. And this was my marble piece. Now I wish I would have done a little more contrast on the colors, but still a pretty piece, and I will definitely be doing that again. And then these are the chips that were left over. I'll use those for future projects too, of course. And that's it. I hope you guys have a beautiful day.